Good morning, guys. In this chilly Sunday morning, we came here to Wilanów, and guess what? We purchased a tent just a few days ago, and now we will be trying to set it up and see how it looks like in here at the side of the cannery van, to have a nice cozy tent where we can spend time with our friends when we go to any meetings or rallies. So let me take you and have a peek inside the van. It stands on the floor and it's up to 160 centimeters. This is how it is mounted right now, and probably it will be its place for traveling. Perfect, just between the bikes. Okay, let's take it out. We took it outside. It weighs something around 46 kilo, and it's packed in a nice bag that fits, as you can see, the frame in here. So if I unzip it, there you can see it's a frame with the rooftop. And here are the pockets for the side walls, and the side walls are in here. And in here. Here is the full unpacked set, the back, the whole frame with the rooftop, side walls, and all the spikes are in here. Now let's see how fast we can set it up. We are inside. Take a look. What a frame! And it took us like 30 seconds to set it up. And now take a look from the outside. How cool is that? It's absolutely stunning. Daniel persuaded me to put logo on 3 of the sides of the rooftop, and it was a very good idea. It looks absolutely fabulous. So after another 2 or 3 minutes, the setup is full. Of course, we did not attach it to the ground yet, as this is the first setting up of the tent. But the space in here is absolutely huge. It's 4.5 meter to 3 meters, and it's very high. So when we will be sleeping in a van, our bikes will have a perfect spot to stay under the rooftop. Take a look how it looks outside. It was a very, very fast setup. So maybe it's not the perfect one, but good is good, and it's looking good enough. And for sure, MITKO, we are extremely happy. It looks amazing. That's all, folks. Hope you like it, and see you soon in Drawsko. Bye!